How many sentences did we do that day, Vita? How many sentences we did that day?
Afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon. Good afternoon. How many sentences we did that day? How many answers were written?
We were doing the analytical paragraph.
Okay, so in your section, this has not started only. Okay, fine. Analytical paragraph we've done many times now. Let's have a quick revision of analytical paragraph first orally, and then we'll move on to prepositions today. Chalo, let's start. Analytical paragraph is a paragraph which is written on the basis of observation of
Figures like pie chart, graphs, etc.
Very good. How many short paragraphs do you make when you're writing an analytical paragraph?
We write
Three paragraphs. What is the first paragraph called?
introductory.
Yes. It should be very long.
No, ma'am.
Short.
What are the two things you tell in introductory paragraph?
What the information is.
Ma'am, what does the figure show?
What is the figure about?
What is the figure and what is it telling you? Is it a pie chart, a bar graph, a line graph, and what is it telling you? Second paragraph gives all the details where you have to use keywords. Tell me the keywords used.
Ma'am, steady rise,
Gradual
steep
increase, steady rise,
Gradual
decrease.
steep decline. Ma'am,
Smart.
whereas in contrast to
Very good. These are the comparing words we can use. And the last paragraph is called
Conclusion.
ma'am, concluding.
concluding. Again, should it be very long?
It should be short and crisp.
Ma'am, very short.
Do we need to give any logic, reasons?
No, ma'am.
Now we are going to start. Please put on today's in your notebooks. Put on today's date and put on the heading prepositions immediately. Heading will be what, children?
Ma'am, preposition.
Now you will not write anything as of now. Just today's date and heading prepositions. I'll tell you how we'll do. I'll give you a few minutes. You will just plan your answers from first to 10th sentence, but you will not write them in the fair notebooks. Orally plan them and raise your hands. Then I'll discuss the answers. So once we know sure that these answers are correct, then I'll give you 1 or 2 minutes to write those answers. Now, how to write answers? You will not write the entire sentence. You will just write one word answers. Is it clear for all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Only one word. Only one word. This PDF I'll post on the group. So you don't need to write the entire sentence. I'll be posting the PDF on the group. So you just write one word answers. So your time
Okay,
starts
ma'am.
now. You need to plan your answers from first to 10th. Options are already given to you in the brackets. Those who are done with the first 10, raise your hands. Charlie, please start.
Ma'am, could you please tell what is the third sentence? It is not visible.
It is he rested his bicycle dash the wall.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless, bache.
Ma'am, only we have to do first 10.
Beta, you have to do only the first 10 and plan them orally, not to write, and raise your
ma'am.
hands. So when a good number of you have done, we'll discuss the answers. Just raise your hands once you plan your answers. First 10.
Ma'am, can you repeat the ninth sentence?
Repeat means you want me to read out.
Yes, ma'am.
Shirley spends a lot of money dash cosmetics.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Good number of students have raised their hands. Let's discuss the answers. You must try to live dash your income
Within.
in your income. Very good. Very good. You see, I was right dash all.
After all.
After all.
Very good. After all, he rested his bicycle dash the wall.
Against.
Against.
Very good. Against the wall. He spent many years dash the people of Syria.
Among.
Good. Very good. Among. Although his last name is the same as mine, I am not related dash him.
To him.
To him.
It's very good. I'm not related to him. This textbook is intended dash
For.
beginners for. Very nice. I am astonished dash that matter.
At that matter.
Very
With
good.
the
I'm
matter.
astonished at the matter. The students were shocked. Okay, we are going to read out the eighth one. Who will read?
Ma'am, this is not this.
It's not visible.
The students, chalo, I'll only read, don't worry. The students were shocked dash the news.
With the news.
The news.
The news.
With the news. No.
With the
Ma'am, in the news.
No. In the news.
At the news.
At the news.
Ma'am, at the
Students were
news.
shocked at the news. Shirley spends a lot of money dash cosmetics.
On cosmetic.
On
On.
cosmetics. Good. Dhruv wasted little time dash social formalities.
For.
For social
For.
formalities.
Wasted a little time for social formalities. What was the answer to the first one?
Within.
Yes. Second.
After.
Third.
Against.
Fourth.
Among.
Among.
Very good. Fifth. Sixth.
All.
Seventh. Eighth.
At.
Ninth.
On.
And 10th.
For.
Okay. Now you have 2 minutes with you. We will write all the 10 words. You have to simply write 10 words and post on the group with your names. Then we'll start with 11 to 20. Immediately. 2 minutes you have to only write the answers and post on the group with your name. Yes, somebody was saying something. Say beta.
Ma'am, we have to post it now.
You want to post now or you will post it together at the last? How you want to do? Tell
I'm
me.
together at the last.
Them now.
Fine, fine. But then some of you disappear, no? That is why I was saying. Chalo, I believe that you are doing. We'll see. Together at the last we'll do. Please write down the first 10 answers.
I'm written.
I'm written.
Now we have to share in the form of PDF.
You can do anything, but your name should be there because I mark you present only after your work comes on the screen. After your class, I'll see your names, work, and put a tick in front of your name. Otherwise, no present. What is the point of being in the class when you're not doing anything now? That is why. But please
Yes,
make
sir.
sure PDF or photo, but the name has to be there.
Okay.
So those who have finished writing will start preparing answers for 11 to 20 and raise hands. But we will not write till we discuss the answers. Otherwise, there'll be a lot of cutting in your notebooks. And remember, these notebooks are going to be important for your internal marks to be sent to CBSE. 100 marks are internal, 20 marks in each subject. So make sure you maintain your notebooks for all subjects. These are free marks, 100 marks you get for your notebooks, internal assessments. Plan your answers, beta, 11 to 20. Three hands already raised. I'm waiting for more. Now four hands, one more, then we'll start. Yes, now we have five.
Could you please tell what we have to do in the 20th one?
Beta, we'll discuss the answers. Wait. We are starting with the 11th one first. No need to write the answers. First, just discuss. That type of music is quite popular dash teenage boys and girls.
Or
With
Popular
With.
with. The correct answer would be with. She is beneficent dash the poor.
For the poor.
for the poor.
For
the
the
poor.
poor. Very good, very good. Kind for the poor. It is contrary dash our custom.
With our custom.
With our custom.
With our customs.
No, no, no.
Contrary to our custom.
Yes, with contrary, we always use to. It is contrary to our custom. Always remember, with contrary, we take the preposition to. He is looking dash his reading glasses.
After.
For his reading
For.
lessons.
Or for.
Looking for. Looking for means to search something. Looking for, the phrase means to search. If I say I am looking for my specs, that means I'm searching them. I'm looking for my book. I'm searching. So it is looking for. The child is looking dash the pictures on the walls.
At the picture.
Yes, very good. At the pictures. Put yourself dash my place.
On my
In
place.
my place.
On my
In my
In
place.
place. It should be in my place. What does the sentence mean? Put yourself in my place. What does it mean?
You should
तो
feel
मुझे
how
अपनी
I
जगह
am
रख
feeling
देख लो.
right now.
Yes, but what does it mean? What does it mean?
Ma'am, it means that to
try to
Will
understand
think
the
according his way.
situation by seeing from
Yes,
And
exactly.
to think according to his.
Yes, it does not mean that you get up and I'll be sitting at your place. It means that you think the way I am thinking. Exactly. Very good, children. Okay, next one. We'll do this one. Srijan provides his son dash money.
With
With money.
With
With
money.
money. Correct. An accident has happened dash that family.
That family.
With that family.
With that family.
With that family.
Very good. 19th now. Dash the time being. I think you'd better not say
By
anything
the
to
time
her.
being.
By that
For
time.
the time
For
No.
For the time being.
For the
For
time
the
being.
time.
Correct answer. For the time being. Next one.
But we
It's
use
all
by the time.
by the time being. No, beta, for the time being. Where do you use by the time being? Where did you use? What kind of sentences by? For the time being. It's a phrase.
Mom, I
What
read
does it
somewhere
mean?
by the time you go from here.
It is by the time, but it is not by the time being. By the time is correct. There is nothing wrong by the time. But by the time being is not correct. There is being,
Okay, ma'am.
so if it is being, it has to be for. Otherwise, by the time is correct, but with being, we will not use. It's always better to study vocabulary dash connection dash reading.
In connection with reading.
In connection with reading.
Connection
In
with reading.
connection with reading.
Okay.
in connection with reading.
Okay, fine. What was the answer of the 11th one?
With.
With.
12th,
Or.
For
13th,
to
14th,
for
For.
For
15,
at
16,
in.
In.
17,
With.
With.
18,
with
With.
19,
For
Or.
and which is the correct option for 20?
Option B.
option
in
B.
oblique with option B.
Good. Now take 2 minutes. Write your answers by the time I'll scroll down. After writing, prepare answers from 21 to 30. Yes. Here, 21 to 30. First, you write the answers, then prepare. First, you need to finish writing the answer. Only then you will prepare the answers. So are we done, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you people read. Chalo. Who will read the 21st one?
Miss Veronica.
And if you feel the answer is correct, let me know. If you feel it is wrong, then also let me know your friends.
Mrs. Veronica is qualified for teaching English.
We just speak a little louder.
Mrs. Veronica is qualified for teaching English.
Okay, you do it with me only. Leave it. Mrs. Veronica is qualified dash English, teaching English.
For
Teaching English.
Qualified for. Can we be sure dash is honesty?
It is
office
honesty.
honesty.
What did you say? What is the answer?
Of
With
Ma'am, off is honesty.
with
With his honesty? No, no, no.
Off is
Ma'am, off is
Off
honesty.
is honesty. Yes, off will be correct answer. What did Mrs. Tarun die dash?
Of
off.
of
Very good. We say na he died of malaria, he died of cancer. So it should be off. It was dash my will.
against.
Very. It was against my
Against.
will. I took my aging father dash the hand.
with
By.
by
Very good. By the hand. What does the word aging father mean?
Ma'am, old
Old
father.
father.
with
Very
Getting
good.
old day by day.
Mhm. He is different dash his mother.
From.
from his mother.
Yes, he is different from his mother. They like to sit dash the fire during the cold winter season.
By
With
the
the
fire.
fire.
By the fire. Very good. By the fire means fire ke aspas. She works dash her living.
For her living.
For her living.
Very good. He suffers dash headaches.
From
With-
headaches.
From.
He suffers from headaches. We say na, I'm suffering from headache. So it's from. He is dash royal blood.
Of royal blood.
Of.
Yes.
Of.
What does this word mean? Of.
Ma'am,
What does this
belongs-
sentence mean? Yes.
Means
He
that
belongs to a
that
royal
his
family.
ancestors, ma'am. He
Very
belongs
good.
to a
He
royal
belongs to a royal family. Okay, good. This is we say royal blood. So what was the answer of 21 children?
For.
Or
22,
off.
Of.
23,
Of.
okay, 24,
Against.
25,
By.
26,
From.
27,
By.
28,
or
For.
29,
From.
and 30.
of
Of.
Okay, fine. Very good. Ananya, your camera is on. If you want, you can switch it off as well. I'm absolutely okay if you want to keep it on also. Yes, Bache. Now we'll continue. I'll give you 2 minutes. Please finish writing answers from 21 to 30. And those who have finished will plan answers from 31 to 40. Hurry up, hurry up. 31 to 40. Smart children. Those who finish planning answers 31 to 40, raise your hands, beta. But make sure you first write the answers. Let me see how many hands raised. Jigyasa, you finish your written work also, the previous one, the writing of the answers?
No,
Hmm?
ma'am.
You've not written up to 40, the answers.
Ma'am, I'm writing.
Okay. First finish writing, then we'll discuss these. All of you, beta, first finish your written part, because if you will not post your written work, I will not give internal marks. This is for sure.
Done, ma'am.
I'm done.
I'm done.
Two students, three, Jujar, Gargi, Naina. You people have finished writing answers also?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
5, 6 students. Fine. You planned answers also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Up to which sentence?
40.
40.
If you continue with this speed, it's really good. You'll be able to complete. I think we have an exercise of 50. So previous classes, I did it in 2 periods. I could take up first to 30 and then 31 to 50. But I think in your class, maybe we'll be able to complete today. Chalu, fine. Let's see. The answers. You've done 31. They went so fast that I couldn't keep up dash with them.
With them.
With them.
With them.
With them.
Very good. Very good. Next, beta. All men between 18 and 25 dash exception are expected to serve in the army.
Without.
Without.
Exception.
Without.
What does the sentence mean?
If they are forced to
There
work
is
in the
no-
army during the time.
Yes.
Every man should serve during
It's
the
absolutely compulsory. Everyone has to do. He is content dash his very little salary.
In his
with the
With.
Very good. Now you tell me, he walked dash the room.
into
In.
into
Dash we were sitting.
in
which
Hmm?
In
No,
which-
not
which we
yet.
were sitting.
in which
In
we were
which
sitting.
we were sitting. So which option will go into and in?
I'm
This
C.
No,
E.
option C.
Yes, the C one. The rain was beating dash the windows.
Against
Against the window.
Very
Yes.
good, against the windows. It looks better dash a distance.
at a distance.
From
At.
at a distance.
From
At.
there. Option of from is not there, otherwise form would have been correct. At a distance would be the correct answer. What does the sentence mean? It looks better at a distance.
Ma'am, it looks quite better when we stand far from something.
And ma'am, when we get deep into that matter, ma'am, then we realize that it's not better.
You see something from near, and then you go and see the same thing from a distance, and it looks nice when you see it from far. So you'll say it looks better at a distance. Okay. I have not done my exercise dash now.
Till now.
Till now.
Very
Till
good.
now.
Many students are so afraid dash failing that they deny all invitations during an exam period.
Of failing.
Of
Of.
failing.
Failing. What does this sentence mean? 38.
Students do not go to any parties or weddings. for-
Yes, they don't go for any parties or any invitations because they're afraid of failing. She took me dash my brother.
With
To my
To-
brother.
To my brother.
To my brother.
To my brother.
Things are
It could be
going
with
dash
also.
bad, dash worse.
From bad to worse.
From bad to
Yes.
worse.
From bad
Bad.
to worse. Which option?
I'm in 39.
I'm C.
Option C.
C1. From and to. Let me revise again. with you.
C1.
31. What was the answer?
With.
With.
32.
Without.
Without.
33.
With.
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 34.
Into in.
Into
Hmm? The option.
C.
This would be better. 35. 35.
Against.
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 Against. 36.
At.
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 37.
Till.
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 38.
Of.
Of.
39.
To.
40.
Option C.
Option C.
Option C.
Option C. Now we are about to complete this exercise. 41 to 50. The last task for today. Hurry up, children, plan your answers. We'll discuss them. 41 to 50.
Ma'am, can you scroll the screen up one?
He's living within his means. He's living in his means, within his means. He had a craving for wealth. He had a craving.
Don't read loudly. Don't read loudly. Others will get distracted. Plan your answers. Raise your hands.
Ma'am, please scroll the screen down.
Down.
From
No, it's okay.
31 to 40.
31 to 40. Which sentence you want specially? Tell me.
I'm 34.
34. 34 is here, beta. He walked into the room in which we were sitting. Into and in.
Ma'am, I had a doubt in 30th one.
30. Number 30. He is of royal blood. This one. Which one you have a doubt, beta?
Ma'am,
Which
39
sentence?
one. Ma'am, 39.
She took me to my brother. Which other option you want to go with?
Ma'am, with.
She took me with my brother. This can also go. That means she took both of you. You also and your brother also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. 41 to 50. After that, I'll give you time. If you want to ask any out of these 50 sentences, any doubt in any answers, meaning of any sentence, anything, I'll do it with you. Raise your hands. Let me see. Oh, good. More than 5 hands are done. So we can start with the answers. Let's discuss the answers. He is living dashes means.
Within.
Within.
What does this sentence mean?
Ma'am, he is living only
He's living with what he has.
dependent on himself only for living.
Yes. Very good. Whatever he is earning, he is living with that only. He is not taking anything from anyone. He had a craving dash wealth.
For
For wealth.
Do you also have craving for something nowadays in lockdown sitting at home?
ma'am, fast food.
Going outside.
Like I have a craving for ice creams, missing, a strong desire. What
Yes.
does the word craving mean? A strong lust or a strong desire for something. So I give you an example, like I have cravings for ice creams these days. You have cravings for fast food. What else cravings these days in lockdown?
I'm traveling.
I'm traveling.
I'm playing
I'm playing outside.
Traveling, okay.
playing cricket.
Playing cricket, yes. Other students craving for? Nobody has craving to go to school?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
fast
ma'am.
food.
Yes, ma'am.
I was just
Oh,
wondering,
ma'am.
I thought I'll get this answer, but I did not get this answer.
Ma'am,
She
school is
spoke.
already at our home.
Oh, but we are
Yes,
not
ma'am.
feeling that. What we have in offline beta, we're not able to experience seeing your faces, seeing you people do all kind of naughtiness and we people shouting at you. You did not wish the teacher. You
Yeah,
did
ma'am.
not stand up on time. You did not submit your notebook on time. Okay. All these small things we are also missing. Small things, those pleasures that we have on interacting with children, that satisfaction and happiness is lacking somewhere. Despite the fact that we are trying our best on phone, but we are lacking beta. We are missing out on that bond, that relationship which we have when we meet each other. That is lacking somewhere. Okay. That smile on your faces and the stern look of teachers when they give you and you understand ki, oh, aaj to ma'am gusse mein hai. No, you understand without words being said. All that we are missing. Even if I'm in a bad temper, I cannot show it to you. Okay. She spoke dash a whisper.
With a whisper.
Into a whisper.
No, no.
In a whisper.
Guys,
In a
in
whisper.
a whisper. Very good. I was very
In
happy
a
that
whisper.
I had not to help you in any of the answers. Very good. She spoke in a whisper. What does it mean?
I'm very
She spoke
Very
in
lightly.
while whispering.
Spoke in a
Very,
very low
very
tone.
slowly and
good. I shall be ready dash a moment.
in.
In a moment.
In a
In a
moment.
In
Now,
a
what
moment.
does this mean? What does this mean? This sentence, I shall be ready in a moment.
Like short
I
time.
mean,
in a
very
Short
short
I
period
mean,
of
very
time,
quick.
nanoseconds.
Very quickly. He's an expert dash economics.
In
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 Okay.
economics.
He's a man dash his 40s.
in his 40s.
In his
In
40s.
his 40s. What does this
Please.
mean? He's a man in his 40s.
His age is between 40 to 50.
Very good. Very good.
I mean,
Age
it's
is
age
substituted.
40.
40, not 40, between 40 to 50, 41 to 42, that way.
Yes, ma'am.
40.
40 to 49.
She rushed forward to help, irrespective dash the consequences.
Of
To the
the
consequences.
Very good, irrespective of. I met Ajitesh yesterday, but I knew him long dash that.
Before.
Before.
Before. You'd better demand an answer that fellow as soon as possible.
from that fellow.
From.
Very,
From
very
that
good.
fellow.
Too good. He broke a loaf of bread, dashed 2 pieces and gave me one.
Into two.
Into.
Into 2 pieces. So what was the answer of the 41?
Within.
Within
42,
for
43,
in
44,
in
45,
in
46,
in
47,
of
48,
before
49,
From.
and 50.
into.
Oh, congratulations. Half a century today you have done sentences. Very good, children. Now, start posting with your names. I'll start putting a tick in front of your names. We just have 2 minutes. So those who post can leave the meeting. It's absolutely okay. We just have about 90 seconds. Please start posting with your names, children, so that I can put a tick in front of your names quickly. Hurry up, hurry up. Yes, beta, I'm seeing on the group only. Keep posting, then you can leave the meeting. God bless you all. We'll meet tomorrow again. We have a class. So keep posting and you can leave the meeting. Have your lunch. Take good rest and take good
We
care
have
of
one more
yourself.
class.
Oh, today you have one more class.
Yes, ma'am.
8th period, computers.
I'm civics.
Okay, so you must have got a free period today then.
No, ma'am, it was taken by Gulshan sir.
Mama, it was taken by Gulshan sir.
Sorry? Sir took your free period.
I'm sent.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I